Hi, I'm Nicole from the Netherlands. What an interesting workshops today. I learned to create a nice looking female Bitmoji. I'm afraid she's gone for the weekend, however. I can't find her anymore. I also know now that my camera shouldn't be placed on top of my computer screen and that I look very pale in an online meeting. But that's not because it's Friday. No way. That's because of the lighting in my room. Very inspiring workshops. Thank you all. I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
Today, I learned from Marco about the importance of the background when I speak online. My Christmas song will take too much focus from me and what I'm talking about. So instead, I switch to a more neutral background. I smile when I look in the camera and I speak to you and say eTwinning is the greatest. And I wish you all a Merry Christmas, or as we say in Sweden, God Jul.
Hello, my name is Terje. I'm an Estonian ambassador. eTwinning gives me a lot of inspiration. Today I am here with a beautiful scarf. What is amazing example of cooperation between Baltic ambassadors. Greetings all of you. This scarf is made Latvian, Lithuanian and Finland ambassadors all together, and this scarf is full of good thoughts, creativity and great skills, like eTwinning gives me good thoughts, great skills and creativity. I wish you all beautiful Christmas time. Häid jõule. Bye.
Hi, my name is Margarita Samutian and I'm a new eTwinning ambassador in Greece. I'm very happy to take part in PDW 2020. All the workshops had something special to share, but my favorite was the perfect eTwinning training tips and tricks. The presentation caught my interest from the very beginning and the Flemish speaker was very inspiring. I would like to thank this event because it gave me the opportunity to meet my old friends and make new ones. This community is alive and gives motivation for lifelong learning. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Καλά Χριστούγεννα και καλή χρονιά!